Hawaii. Experience the paradise on earth. Obsess over the best beaches in Hawaii. It's mesmerizing. As the warm breeze plays, start surfing as the waves dance gracefully. Fall in love with the Hawaii tradition and culture. Snorkel your way along with the majestic creatures underwater. Start hiking in Hawaii as you will be presented with heart-stirring views. The exotic Hawaiian cuisine will make you come back with its flavors. All hail the Hawaiian shave ice. It's a must-try. As the sun sets, watch the traditional hula dance light up the night. Hawaii's nightlife shines as the sun goes down. Get the party started. At last, your holiday to Hawaii ends with the best memories. Love travel-related videos? Please subscribe to our channel.